How to get Wi-Fi without a Wi-Fi router. If your computers have a wireless adapter installed, then you technically do not need a router to create a wireless network. Computers have built-in settings that allow you to build your own ad hoc Wi-Fi network without having to use a router. Having a Wi-Fi network in your home lets you connect other devices to the internet, including cell phones, game consoles, MP3 players, and even digital photo frames. Creating a secure Wi-Fi network is critical for protecting your privacy, so don't forget to set a password. How to enable the host computer. 1. Go to Start GT, Control Panel GT, Network and Internet Connections GT, Network Connections. 2. Right-click on your modem's name and choose Properties. 3. Select the Advanced tab and check off Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Uncheck the box that says Allow other network users to control or disable this shared internet connection. Hit OK. 4. Hit Yes when prompted to enable internet sharing. How to create the Wi-Fi network. 1. Go to Start GT, Control Panel GT, Network and Internet Connections GT, Network Connections. 2. Right-click on your modem's name and choose Properties. 3. Select Wireless Networks and check off the box that says Add under Preferred Networks. Name your connection under SSID. 4. Check off the box that says this is a computer-to-computer network and uncheck the key is provided for me automatically. 5. Select Network Authentication and choose Open. Go to Data Encryption and choose WEP, which is a type of security. Type in a password for the WEP key and confirm it in the second box. Hit OK. How to connect other computers. 1. Power on a second PC in the vicinity of the host computer. 2. Look at the lower right-hand side of the menu for a pop-up that notifies you of existing Wi-Fi connections. 3. Click on the network icon on the tray to bring up the list of nearby internet connections. Click on the name of your internet connection. Type in the password and hit enter. 4. Open a browser and start using the internet.